Aha! I wonder something is hiding in here. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Aha! One. Hello, Mr. One. One, put it here. T, da, da, da. One. Next, two. Can you help me to find the number two? Great. I think number two is hiding in here. Aha. Two. Blue two. Ta-dang. Two. Hello, Mr. Two. Two. Ta-da. Number two is put it here. Now make number two. Wow, great! We did it! Next, number three. Do you see the number three? Yes, I see the number three. It's here. Green three. Hello, Mr. Three. Three. Aha. Three. Next. Now we need number four. Aha! Blue four. Hello, Mr. Four. 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 Ta-da! Wow, nice! Next, five. We need number five. Yeah, it's here. It's blue five. Hello, Mr. Five. Five. Put it here. Oh. Wow, great! We did it! Number five. Next. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Aha! Number six. Hello, Mr. Six. It's red six. It's red six. Yes, put it here. Nice, great. Six. Next, we need to find the number seven. Aha. Hello, number seven. Seven. Yellow seven. Put it here. Diddy. Number seven. Next. Aha. Eight. It's blue 8. Look. Yes, it's blue 8. Blue 8. Ta-ta. Number 8 is done. 8. Next. Aha! 9. Green 9. 9. Oh ho! Great! Number 9 is done. Next. La 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 la. Aha! 1, 0, 10. 1 and 0 make 10. Aha! Number 10. Put it here. Yes, here. Number 10. Wow, great! We did it! All thanks to you! 1, 0, 10. 1 and 0 make 10. We did it! Great job! 1. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. 2. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Bye-bye.